Hey, ain't it funny how things evolve? For years and years, we were all lowering our vehicles. And Nolathane, they've been very much part of that world with some of the kit they've made, particularly in the four-wheel drive space. We find ourselves lifting them up, raising them up. Now, Nolathane, brand you can trust, are now in the business of providing you with some parts to do exactly that. Now, if we look at what exactly these parts are and where they go. Now, they make them for a 25 to 40 mil lift, right? Now, if we look, here's a front end, here's a diff coming at us. Up here, up above the strut, tucked up in the shock tower, you can see there, is this. Nice little aluminium spacer, very easy to insert in there, no drama at all. If we look at the back of the car, now looking forwards this way, here's the right rear shackle and the left rear shackle. You can see here on the axle, this nice little aluminium spacer just goes in there with the U-bolts which are provided. And isn't it funny, when I said about lowering vehicles, all it was is that block that Nolathane used to make, used to go under this side of the axle, now it's on top of the axle. Now, 25 to 40 mil, that's a nice, safe sort of heightening to do of your vehicle. You know yourself, there's rules and regulations. Well, there they are. Nolathane are across them all, the ADRs, state regulations. So if you stick with this kit, you know you're going to be safe. So jump on the Nolathane website, and ain't it nice to know you can get into this world of heightening vehicle with a brand you can trust to do it properly.